Folks with COPD are at greater risk for contracting a lung disease called non-tuberculosis mycobacteria, or also called NTM. Mycobacteria can be found in tap water, shower heads, and steam from hot tubs, and soil from parks and gardens. Here to provide some insight about this lung disease is Dr. Shannon Kasserbauer. She is infectious disease physician for National Jewish Health and ISMED Incorporated spokesperson. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so what is NTM lung disease and how is it related to COPD?
NTM lung disease stands for non-tuberculous mycobacteria. So these are bacteria that are naturally part of our environment, found in the water and in the soil. NTM lung disease is a chronic progressive lung infection that disproportionately affects people with COPD. In fact, we know that people with COPD have a 15-fold higher risk of having NTM lung disease.
Wow, okay. So who is at risk for developing NTM lung disease?
Well, apart from those people with COPD, really any other chronic lung condition that involves the airways, such as asthma or bronchiectasis, those people are at higher risk. The other groups include people with compromised immune systems, older patients, so over the age of 65, females tend to be more affected than males. And then finally, important for your viewers, people that live in coastal parts of the United States. They make up 7 out of every 10 cases of NTM lung disease.
Oh my goodness, okay. So what are the symptoms of NTM lung disease?
Symptoms are chronic. So chronic cough is probably the #1 symptom. And that can be a productive cough of sputum, or it can just be a dry cough. Some people feel fatigued, they may have weight loss, night sweats, fevers, shortness of breath, and other patients just have recurrent episodes of bronchitis or pneumonia that don't respond to antibiotic therapy. But I'll just note that all those symptoms are pretty nonspecific and they can mimic a lot of other lung conditions. So unfortunately, delays in diagnosis are very common, and some of our patients wait months or years before they're properly diagnosed.
All right, well, where can people learn more about NTM lung disease as well?
Well, there's 2 websites that I would alert your viewers to, and one is aboutntm.com, and there they can read more about NTM lung disease. They can think about the right questions to ask their providers in order to move forward with the diagnosis. And the second is ntminfo.org. This website is a great resource for patients that are looking to meet other patients that have NTM lung disease through online communities or even local support groups.
All right, thank you so much, Doctor. Be sure to check us out online at fox4morningblend.com.